Hello students. In the previous two lectures, we have learned the solution of linear equations with the help of inverse matrix method and Cramer's rule. This is method number 3, Gauss elimination method. What we are going to do in Gauss elimination method? We are going to use the three important concepts, the row echelon form we are going to use, elementary transformations we are going to use, and augmented matrix we are going to use. So if this is the given set of equations, a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So what is the step number 1? Step number 1 is to write the equations in matrix form. This is xy is equal to c1 c2. This is step 1. Ax is equal to b. What is the step number 2? Write the augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix? Augmented matrix is the combination. Like if you see here, this is the coefficient matrix, this A, this is the coefficient matrix. But the augmented matrix is a combination of the two matrices A and B. So if we write here this A1, B1, A2, B2, this is the coefficient matrix. But if we write in a partition B part also, it becomes the augmented matrix. Now step number 3, use elementary transformations. Elementary transformations. Formations and change the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix in the form. What form we are going to change? We are going to change this into, here we will keep 1, this A1 will change into 1, this A2 we will change into 0, this B2 we will change into 1, and here there will be some other number, let us say B1 star will come. And during these three changes, these numbers may change, C1 star and C2 star. Another number will appear here. This is step number 3. Now, what is the next step? Here, the last step is, after reducing the matrix this into, what is this? This is row echelon form. This is row echelon form. So you need to write the equations into, means this augmented matrix row echelon form into the Ax is equal to B form. Like this one. This is xy. This is C1 star and C2 star. Like this one. Now multiply the two matrices. Means these two matrices, what you will get? X plus B1 star y equals C1 and y equals to C2 star. This is. Now y value we have already evaluated. Put this value of y into equation 1 here and find the value of x. This is the procedure we are going to use in Gauss elimination method. Okay. So this procedure we will clear with the one example here. We'll take only one example because in the next method we will solve two questions, because next method is the extension of this method. So we will solve only one question here. So what is this? Solve the equation. Solve the equations using Gauss elimination method. Elimination method. Clear? So what is the equations? Let us take x plus 8y is equal to 4. And another equation we are taking is 3x minus y is equal to minus 13. 3x minus y is equal to minus 13. This is the question. Clear? So how we will solve this question? We will solve like first write the equations into matrix form. It is 1, 8, 3, minus 1. This is x, this is y, and this is 4, and this is minus 13. Okay. So this is a, this is x, this is equal to b. Now, what is the next step? Next step is you need to write the augmented matrix. Augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix? Augmented matrix is A slash B. What is A? It is 1, 8, 3, minus 1. And you can write the dotted line or you can make a continuous line. It is up to you. 4 minus 13. Clear? So the step 1 here is, what is the step 1? Step 1 is you need to make this element equal to 1. By chance in this question it is 1. So no need to do it. If it is not 1, then generally we divide the first row by the same entry present here and solve the problem. Okay. So now we will move to step number 2. Step number 2 is what? Step number 2 is you need to change this entry into 0. You need to change this entry into 0. 3 into 0. How can you make 3 into 0? So for that you need to write the transformation R2 replaced by, because it in R2. So R2 replaced by 1 and 3 both are positive. So minus, here it is written 3. So here must be 3. So it is 3R1. And what we will get? It is, because transformation is on R2. So R1 will remain same. There is no change. You can mark the dotted lines or you can mark a continuous line. It is up to you. For this is R1 is same to same. Now you need to write R2. R2 is 3 minus 1 minus 13 minus 3R1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 8 is 24. And 3 into 4 is 12. This is 3 minus 3. It is 0. 1 minus 1 minus 24. It is minus 25. And minus 13 minus 12, it is minus 25. This is the values coming here. What? Here it is minus 25. Here it is minus 25. Now the next step in this question is to make this entry 0. How you can make this entry 0? So to make this entry 0, it is very simple. Not 0. Sorry. We need to make this entry equal to 1. So how can you make this entry equal to 1? The procedure is very simple. Divide R2 by 25 with negative. Clear? So it will be equal to how much? It is 1, 8, 4, 0, minus 25 by minus 25, it is 1. Minus 25 by minus 25, it is 1. So this is. So now you can say this matrix is in row echelon form. Why it is in row echelon form? Because here it is 1, 0, 1. It should be 1, 0, 1. If this equal to 1, 0, 1, like here we have this 1, 0, 1. If this triangle is there, then the matrix is in row echelon form in a 2 by 2 matrix. Clear? So now we'll move to 184. It is, so what is the augmented matrix? Augmented matrix is 1 8 4 0 1 1. Now the last step is, because it is in row echelon form, so you need to write in AX is equal to B form. Write it in AX is equal to B form. This one. Clear? So you need to write this in AX is equal to B form. 1 8 0 1 X Y is equal to 4 1. Now if we multiply these two matrices, what we'll get? X plus 8y equal 4 and y equal 1. These two equations you will get, and from these two equations you can say directly the value of y is 1. This is the first answer. Clear? Now to get the second answer, what you need to do, you need to put in the first one the value of y. X plus 8 into 1 equal 4 and x plus 8 equal 4. 8 into 1 is 8 and 4 minus 8. So x value is minus 4. This is the value of x, minus 4, and value of y is how much? 1. Okay. So this is the solution of the set of equations, set of these two equations using Gauss elimination method. So Gauss elimination method is very simple. Only you need to change these three entries, only 1, minus 1 and 3 into 1 0 1. This is, you need to bring these changes like here, and the moment you received it, it is in row echelon form, and then you can proceed further by changing the augmented matrix into AX is equal to B form. This is the Gauss elimination method. Okay, so thank you very much. In the next method we will understand more concepts. Thank you.